Welcome back, design enthusiasts. In today's video, we're putting Miricanvas under the microscope for a completely honest review. This free AI design tool for 2025 boasts an impressive suite of features including an AI remover, upscaler, and generator, so let's see if it delivers. First impressions of the website are strong. It's modern, intuitive, and easy to navigate. The core of Miricanvas is its trio of AI tools. The background remover is a standout, processing images in seconds with impressive precision, even on complex details. The AI Upscaler does a solid job of enlarging images while maintaining clarity, which is great for adapting small graphics for larger formats. Finally, the AI Image Generator allows you to create unique visuals from simple text prompts, adding a powerful boost to your creativity. But it's more than just AI, it's a full-fledged design platform. You get access to a vast library of professional templates for social media, presentations, and more, all highly composed of customizable. The integrated stock library of photos and elements is another huge plus, eliminating the need to jump between different apps. Now for the positives. The fact that these powerful features are available for free is incredible. The user interface is beginner-friendly yet robust enough for more experienced users, and the output quality rivals some paid alternatives. However, it's not perfect. The free plan does have limitations, locking some premium templates and potentially limiting array generations. You might also experience some occasional lag in the editor during busy times. While fantastic for most projects, those needing ultra-high-resolution professional output might still require specialized software. Miricanvas offers three main tiers. The free plan is $0 and provides the basics to start designing, including personal storage. The Pro plan is $11.99 per month and unlocks everything with unlimited premium templates, photos, AI tools, background removal, and 10 gigabytes of storage. For larger teams, the Enterprise plan requires contacting sales and offers advanced collaboration tools, asset management, and dedicated support tailored for businesses. Overall, Miricanvas is a remarkably capable and versatile tool that punches well above its weight for a free platform. It's absolutely worth experimenting with for your next project. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let me know what other tools you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching.